Hello there. This is Akram. I was born and raised in Iran. I have master's degree and teaching certification and experience teaching Farsi to learners from all around the world. I am here to assist you in the journey of learning this beautiful language and make it easier and better for you. In trial lesson, we get to know each other and talk about your motivation, goals, and needs and level so I can help you better. Looking forward to meeting you in trial lesson. Have a nice time. سلام. اکرم هستم. تو ایران به دنیا آمدم و بزرگ شدم. فوق لیسانس و سابقه تدریس دارم. اینجا هستم تا در یادگیری زبان شیرین فارسی همراه شما باشم و این مسیر رو برای شما آسان‌تر و بهتر کنم. مشتاقانه منتظر دیدار شما هستم. بدرود. خدا نگهدار.